Ready for a change? These 20 bob styles will reinvent your whole look. Classic French bob. This timeless, chin-length cut with straight bangs perfectly frames oval and heart-shaped faces, offering an effortlessly chic Parisian aesthetic that highlights the jawline beautifully. Texturized Inverted Bob. An excellent choice for women with thick hair. This stacked back and elongated front structure removes bulk while adding a dynamic, modern movement to the profile. Sleek Blunt Lob. Perfect for round or square faces. This elegant shoulder-grazing length elongates the neck area and looks incredibly professional and polished with a razor-sharp bottom edge. Choppy Shaggy Bob. Ideal for those seeking a youthful, effortless vibe. This heavily layered cut adds immense volume to fine hair and requires almost no daily styling effort. Wavy Asymmetrical Bob. An edgy and artistic choice that breaks up facial symmetry beautifully, making it exceptionally flattering for women wanting to soften strong jawlines. Italian Bob with volume. Characterized by chunky neck skimming layers, this sophisticated style adds instant luxury and density, making it a premium choice for mature women seeking a youthful lift. Micro Bob for fine hair. Hitting right at the cheekbones, this ultra-short variation creates the ultimate illusion of thick, dense hair while drawing dramatic attention to the eyes. Layered A-line Bob. Featuring a sharp angle from back to front combined with soft layers, this look adds a beautiful, modern structural balance to heart-shaped and oval faces. Curly Bob with bangs. The ultimate celebration of natural texture. This rounded shape defines curls perfectly while bouncing up to frame the face with a soft, romantic volume. Vintage Flipped Bob. Inspired by retro glamour, the outwardly flipped ends break up rigidity, making it a fantastic choice for adding playful width to narrower face shapes. Choppy Pixie Bob. Blending the shortness of a pixie with the face-framing length of a bob, this hybrid style offers maximum youthful edge and lifts sagging features instantly. Wispy Layered Lob. Soft, feathery layers throughout the length prevent the hair from looking heavy, making it an exceptional option for creating romantic movement in straight hair. Sharp Razor Cut Bob. Created entirely with a razor blade, this style offers wispy, lightweight tips that perfectly soften angular, square jawlines with a highly contemporary look. Voluminous Stacked Bob. By stacking shorter layers precisely at the back of the head, this haircut creates an incredible crown area lift that remains perfectly structured all day. Blunt Chin Length Bob. The absolute gold standard for straight hair. This mathematically precise line gives fine strands maximum thickness and a striking, powerful presence. Soft Layered Romance Bob. Gentle face framing layers curl softly inward, making this ultra-feminine cut a dream for softening sharp features and accentuating beautiful smiles. Choppy Textured Lob. The ultimate undone look that breathes casual elegance into thick hair, allowing you to shake it out and go without spending hours styling. Asymmetrical Blunt Cut. Combining clean, unlayered edges with high asymmetry. This high-fashion statement look flatters round faces by drawing a strong, slimming diagonal line. Wispy Shaggy Lob. A beautiful casual shoulder-length option that blends effortless texturized layers with a rock and roll edge, perfect for giving flat hair a natural daily bounce. Modern Razored Italian Bob. The ultimate fusion of density and airy movement. This razor-finished look gives a thick, luxurious feel to the hair while keeping the weight beautifully distributed.